preposterous question.
Dr. George's psychological experiments at Cambridge on bias and judgment.
I don't like psychology. And I'm not the one
Sorry.
Would that be one moped 1,000 times or 1,000 mopeds once?
It doesn't matter if you choose the steamroller. By the time it hits the road, you get from shock. It fits in with your hyper-rational outlook.
Please pretend to know how my mind works.
You shy away from randomness. And you from guessing why.
Are you saying that I'm narrow-minded?
Your words, not mine. That's interesting. There appears to be muscle fracturing to the anterior and posterior aspects of right shoulder ribs 9 and